Hello friends, today I am talking about how to correct GC file error in Visual Studio Code. This happened because we do not give any path to compile and so it cannot form any exe file. So to overcome this error, follow these steps as shown in this video. First go to this PC and open local disk C. Here is a folder named program files. Now we can say I am in GW folder, open it, and now we say folder named bin. Now we have to copy the address of this folder on going top and by clicking left button of our mouse. Here is the option copy address as a text. Click on it. Now close it and go to properties of this PC. You will get it by clicking on the left click of your mouse on this PC icon. Here is the advanced system properties option. Click on it and there is the option environment variables. Open it. Now double click on path and click for new and paste here the address. I have already done, so I will do not do again. And now you have to click on OK, but I will click on cancel because I have told you that I already done. And close it by clicking OK and everything. Now this error has been gone and restart your PC. Thanks for watching this video.